My name is Magalie. Powerizer is for everyday cleaning, so you could use it on flooring, on surfaces, on your appliances. And it also cleans the toilets, the tubs, the showers. This replaces laundry detergent, a softener. It replaces any stain cleaner that you spray before putting the clothes in the laundry. It's a color safe bleach in it. You could also use it for a dishwasher. The packaging is great. You don't need a large amount of it, so it doesn't take a lot of space in your cabinets. We're always looking for storage. So it's eco-friendly, it's totally safe, so you don't need to open the windows of the bathroom when you're cleaning. Your kids can be around when you're cleaning, so you never have to worry about all the chemical smells, which is great. It's not expensive at all. You're saving money, very important. It smells great as well. With this, you can replace all your cleaning products.